This is not going to be a bad detail. Hello, friends. The car looks funny and it has wings because those back doors do not open, so I jumped in and got them open. Now I'm not going to close them till I'm done. Anyway, this is a 2008 Ford Focus, and we are going to get this cleaned up. It is for the dealership. This is not going to be a bad detail. And it is going on the line pretty quickly. It's got parts coming for it for these back doors. I am going to use the P&S Express interior today. I'm going to use it at a different dilution rate than my normal. But I will say that if I have to dilute it in a much higher ratio in order for the cleaning power to be there, then that says to me that it's much less affordable as a cleaner in my business. And I am about the numbers. The numbers need to make sense. If they do not make sense, then it's not workable for me. But it was a gift, so I am going to use it. It's just on a personal level, I probably wouldn't buy it if that's the case. Alrighty, friends, this Ford Focus is done. Not bad at all. This was a 2-hour job. Didn't take long at all. I took every shortcut I could. The only thing I have to do now is there was something on the seat. What the heck? Anyway, the only thing I have to do now is the floor mats. This thing was playing really stubborn. I got the air gun after it and it cleaned up pretty well after that. I did have to spray some PNS on it in order to loosen some of that up, but a lot of it stayed. Here's a little tip for your customer. Don't haul hay in your trunk. It doesn't clean up well. So there's the back seat. I can't get that door open over there unless I reach through, and I figured, forget it. I'll just come over here and let you guys see. It's looking pretty darn good. For a car that got a lot of shortcuts, this did not turn out bad at all. But this will also explain to you the big thing. If you buy a used car, make sure you take it somewhere to be detailed. It's been a very crazy busy day already, and it's only, I think it was 2 o'clock when I finished, just before I finished. I have to go get another one and get it done, and then we're expecting another one. All of the cars at the mechanic shop are coming out. We got 3 back and 2 more coming. It is the life. So, have a good one, everybody. Thanks for hanging out on my channel, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.